Hello everybody, Nick Rising from Wonks. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at how to ascertain whether you have a metapixel implemented within your website. The metapixel allows you to track visitor activity on your website, such as conversions from meta ads, permits you to build targeted audiences for future ads, and remarket to people who have already visited your website. By delivering more relevant ads to users based on their previous interactions with your website, the metapixel can improve ad relevance and performance. Typically, this will lead to higher click-through rates, lower costs per acquisition, and ultimately a better return on your investment for your advertising spend. All right, in order to ascertain whether or not a website has the metapixel installed, we first need to download and install the metapixel helper from the Chrome Web Store. So I'll share my screen now and let's head over and take a look. All right, so I'll just open a new tab here. And we can just simply search for metapixel helper, or we could go straight to the Google Chrome Web Store. All right, so here it is here. So we'll click on this. All right, metapixel helper. This is exactly what we need. So all we need to do now is click Add to Chrome. And click on Add Extension here. And here you see that's been added successfully. You may like to do what I do, and that is pin that tab as well. So it always remains there visible. All right, so let's go to a website now. Maybe Lemon Tree Design, for example. Let's go directly to the website. All right, so immediately you can see here, it's got a little green box. So if the helper does find a metapixel on the web page, it will appear in a dark blue color, which is this here, with a little green box that shows the number of metapixels found on the web page. So we can go ahead and click on this now. And it's saying 1 pixel found on lemontreedesign.co.nz. All right. Now, conversely, if we go to another site, this one, for instance, Temporary Fencing Auckland. Now you can see the metapixel helper is in a gray color here. All right. Now that indicates that no metapixel has been found on the web page. All right. As it's conveying here. All right. So a fairly quick, short, concise video today. Hopefully you found that helpful. Please be sure to check lots of other educational videos on our YouTube channel. There's bound to be something there that will be helpful for you. All right, until next time, have a great day and thank you for watching.